Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, as you all are aware, IBPS has given the notification for rural banks. The last day to apply is fast approaching. It's on the 28th of this month. So I request everybody, those who are interested to apply for RRB, see the notification complete, read it full and apply at the earliest. Don't wait till the last date. So here the recruitment is for probationary officer scale 1, 2 and 3 and also for office assistant in rural bank of every state. First of all, why do you want to become a banker? What are the facilities a banker get? The first point is job stability. Although there are many reasons to be afraid of job stability even in banking sector in today's scenario, but still the job is considered to be stable as compared to other jobs. The salary is good and you also get good perks. You get every loan on a low interest rate, simple interest, be it a housing loan or car loan or any other requirement. The loan is readily available to you at very low interest rate. The banker has a good social status in the society. The job is challenging. You get to face new responsibilities and new adventure every day you work. Let's see the list of the participating RRB banks. The list of the bank, as you can see, state-wise. Here you should also see the local language which is required for each bank in each state. Select your appropriate state, bank, and also be clear that you should have desired local language proficiency as prescribed by the participating RRBs. Next is the last date for exam and exam fees. As you can see on the screen, it started on 8th of June and last date is 28/6. You can apply it online till 28th, and your call letters for pre-exam training. I don't think pre-exam training will be conducted in the present COVID scenario. So your online preliminary exam will be in the month of August 21, and then after that main will be in September October 21, and that last allotment will be in the month of January 2022. You should note that in the selection cycle for IBPS, RRBs are the first which give the notification and give the allotment. After this, normal CRPs for other national banks come. Now about the fees for officer scale 1 and 2. If you are SC/ST or person with any other disabilities, you have to pay 175, or all others have to pay 850. Same is in the case for office assistant. Age criteria. Age is as you can see on the screen. Educational qualification. For office assistant, you should have a bachelor degree, proficiency of local language, and working knowledge of computer is desirable. Officer scale 1, same, you should have bachelor degree in some of the courses which you have seen on the screen, and you should also have a proficiency in local language and working knowledge of computers. Officer scale 2, specialist, general, and all these things are for already serving banking personnel. You can see where you can apply, and accordingly you should apply. Same is the case for officer scale 3, senior manager. You should have minimum 5 years of banking service as an officer in any other bank or financial institute. Proficiency of local language is a must. Candidates who have already studied language in state up to 8th standard, there no need to give the exam. Otherwise, other people should have to attend the exam. Whenever candidate do not meet the aforesaid requirement in local language, at the time of selection, you will be given a Time of 6 months from the date of joining to acquire the proficiency. Now, scheme of exam. For officer scale 1 and office assistant, it's 2-tier exam with prelims, mains, and interview. In case of officer scale 1, officer assistant doesn't have interview. And for officer scale 2 and scale 3, single tier online exam and interview. Now, as you can see, office assistant preliminary exam, they have reasoning, numerical ability, 40 marks each. Office scale 1, same. And details of main exam is as given on screen. Same is for officers scale 2 and scale 3. They have a single tier examination. They don't have prelims, only one single exam, and after that they will be called for interview. And how to apply? The link for application is given on IBPS site. You can go there, register and apply. As you can see, success is 99% hard work and 1% luck. The more the hard you work, the more luckier you get. So there are no shortcut for success. You have to work hard to get selected. In the present scenario, when other jobs are less in the outside, so more and more people will be attracted towards these jobs. So the competition is going to be more tough. So you have to be prepared for everything. Best of luck. I will be there throughout your examination process. If you have any other doubts in applying or in banking sector or life after you join as a banker or anything related to banking, you can give on the comment box. Please like the channel and also subscribe it. See you soon with a new video. Thank you very much.